Hey YouTube, it's Aqua, and I'm going to show you how to reset or reinstall any Windows 10 and Windows 11 app. Alright, so if you have a Windows application, you can either search it up or go to the start menu. And let's say you want to search, like, if you right click on Outlook, okay, let's just say you right click Outlook, okay, you want to go to app settings. And once you go to app settings, it's going to show you the permissions that you have here, and it should have reset, terminate, and others. Okay, so once that loads up, you should see on, if you scroll to the bottom, terminate, repair, and reset. Those are the three things. That's all you need: repair, terminate, and reset. Those are the only three things you need. After that, open the application and it should guarantee to work. um yeah, and that's pretty much it. Let's get it, let's go. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.